With the holiday season coming up and businesses putting more focus on lead generation campaigns, it's a good time to look at strategies that can help you grow the client base without overspending. Meta ad costs tend to rise sharply during Black Friday and Cyber Monday, so it's important to keep a close eye on how your budget is allocated. Let's go over some campaign setups that can help you manage your spending more effectively during this busy season. The first setup will pause ads if they spend beyond your limit without delivering the expected results. In the Scope section, select Active Ads in Active Campaigns with the objective set to lead generation. For the task, choose Pause. Set the rule to pause ads if their spend exceeds $50 in the last 3 days, including today, and either of these conditions is met. No leads have been generated in the last 3 days, or the cost per lead is higher than your threshold of $5. The second setup helps control the number of active ads at once, so your budget isn't spread too thin or wasted on overlapping ads. It also ensures that newer ads get a chance to perform. Set the conditions to pause ads if the number of active ads in an ad set is greater than 3, and either the frequency is higher than 4 in the last 7 days, or impressions exceed 12,000. This will help prevent ad fatigue and keep campaigns running efficiently. In the Schedule section, set the rule to check every 3 hours. By clicking the Check Matching Ads button, you can view all the ads that meet the rule's conditions, including their creative, ad copy, headline, and other details. This helps you see which ads may be affected, and you can further adjust the conditions and metrics for even more insights. Try out these setups and share your favorites in the comments.